What's up, Marcus? This your new bike, Marco. Just put in nice $100 ballistic battery. Got the pipe all mounted up. Fresh meat. Sweet suspension. 24 carb. Let's try and fire it up. See if you're ready for the Three Amigos to roll out.